Hi, I'm Daisy from NiftyInterio. Today we are here in Aparna Zenith, Nalagandla for the house tour. This is a 2660 SFT property, and this beautiful property belongs to Mr. Abhijit and family. So here we are in the drawing area, and this is the TV unit. We have given this louvers for the back paneling of the TV unit, and this marble look-alike laminate along with the golden teapot is there. And we have covered the MCB box with this louvers so that it will get concealed. And here we have given few drawers for additional storage. Here we have given this tall unit with profile glass doors along with the profile lighting inside to highlight this part. We have given profile lights there as well to highlight the TV unit. Here we have given a profile glass doors as well in the base unit. So here is the TV panel opposite side wall. Here we have given the same louvers as what we have used in the TV paneling to make it look similar, and we have done the louvers paneling. Along with that we have given the texture paint and profile lighting as well. And here's the sofa. We have provided a L-shaped sofa which the color goes with the same designing in the drawing areas. And here we are at the vanity area where we have given this quartz countertop, a designer sink, designer golden beautiful tap, and this designer mirror to highlight this area. We have highlighted the dado area with tiles and some paneling with the same louvers we have used in the TV unit. And we have given some additional storage here which is multi-purpose. We are in the crockery unit. We have used the same quartz as kitchen and vanity unit here for the countertop, and the same tiles for the dado area. We have given this base storage. Along with that we have used this profile, champagne profile with fluted glass for the upper storage. We have used two kind of laminates here. One is glossy laminate, and the another one for the drawers we have used fluted laminates. And we have given a tall unit with same champagne profiles and fluted glasses. Along with that we have kept some profile lights inside. And here we have a huge French door towards the balcony where we have given the palmet to hide the channel for the curtains, and we have given two layers of curtains. One is sheer and one is blackout. This is the highlighted wall for the dining area, where we have used texture paint and varnish coating for highlighting this wall. And here we have given a huge 8-seater dining table, and we have used minimal false ceiling for this house. For this entire area, we have given minimal false ceiling along with curb lightings. And here we have additional storage in the common area of the house, which is multi-purpose. We have used louvers and glossy laminate along with this golden beautiful looking handles here. We have used this straightener here to avoid bending, as we are using 18 mm HDHMR for the doors. Sometimes there might be a chance for the doors to get bent. So further protection and providing all those consequences, we are using this straighteners. We are in the kitchen right now, and we have used very minimal and neutral colors for the kitchen. We have given quartz countertop and glossy laminate all over the kitchen. We haven't played around with much colors. We have kept it really simple and elegant looking. So here we have given a tall storage which is multi-purpose, and down there we have given provision for the microwave. Along with that, we have given this weaker basket here and a small drawer below there. Here is the corner unit. Here's a magic unit which is movable. To make it easy to access, we have used this corner with magic units. So here we have given some minimal storage for small size jars and box, and we have highlighted it with some profile lightings. In the base storage, we have covered, there are two SS baskets here. For the base unit, we have used this bottle pull out to make it more user friendly. Here we have given this Elica brand hob and chimney. And in head level storage, we have used champagne profile and fluted glass doors, and we have given this profile lights inside. We have left the provision for dishwasher here, and to make it more easily accessible, we have given this box for the water purifier as well. Here also we have given the same quartz countertop here, and for the dado area also we have used the same quartz, and the base storage along with head level storage, where we have used this tall profile glass doors and laminate wooden door here, and we have covered the entire kitchen with loft. So right now we are in the master bedroom of the house. Here is the sliding wardrobe, where we have used two kind of laminates. Upper layer we have used the glossy laminate, and lower part we have used the fluted laminate. This is one additional accessories we have given for hanging your saris or trouser. This is a multi-purpose pull-out hanger. We can use it for saris or trousers as well. Here's the area right next to the wardrobe. We have given this base storage. Along with that, we have made the window covered with those paneling with wooden plywood and laminate, and loft throughout the wall. So this is a king size bed we have provided, along with the hydraulic storage area inside, and we have given 2 feet of headboard cushioning here, and above that we have used the louvers to highlight the wall. And there's a full length mirror. This is the dressing area. We haven't done much, but we have kept it really simple and elegant looking, including this sensor lights on the mirror, and we are giving only minimal storage, only a drawer for cosmetics and all. So here we are in a room that is multi-purpose almost, like we can use it as a study room or a office room. We have made it appropriate for any of the choices you want to choose. We have given a L-shaped study unit here, along with those drawers there with golden handles, and we have given this minimal ledges to either use it for books or photo frames or anything you want. We have highlighted this part little bit with the louvers, the same louvers we are using for our drawing area and all. And we are giving this multi-purpose storage here little bit for any artifacts or books or toys, anything we can keep it here. And for the wardrobe and the drawers, we are using fluted laminates along with this long golden handles. Here is a sofa cum bed we have provided, which is almost like 5 feet width, and once you are going to open it, it will be 6 feet length. We can just pull it out whenever it is needed and use it as a bed. And we are here in one of the bedrooms. Here we have given openable shutters with these golden long handles, and in the middle we have given a profile glass door as well, and the loft above the wardrobe. So in the same bedroom we have given this puja unit in the north east corner. As per Vastu, we have to keep it in the northeast. So being very particular about Vastu, we have kept it here. We have given this champagne profile with the fluted glass for the doors. And here in the puja room, we have used a ply and laminate for the storage area. We have highlighted it with some profile lights. We have given some shelves for the frames and Bhagwanji. Backside, we have created this beautiful Ganpati to make it look more traditional and beautiful. Here we have given the prasadam tray and some additional storage for puja related stuff. So here we are in the parents' bedroom. Here we have given this openable shutters. Outer layer is fluted laminate along with this long beautiful golden handles. And here, to make it more space efficient, we have given this mirror on the wardrobe wall itself. We have provided this study cum working unit. It's a very minimal space, and we have given this drawers where we have used the same fluted laminate as outer layer, and upper we have used the glossy laminate. We have given this minimal LEDs for the multi-purpose uses.
Hello, I am Abhijit Chakravarti and I have with me my wife Gayatri. We want to take a moment to express our heartfelt appreciation for NiftyInterio and their incredible work on our home interior design and execution at Aparna Zenith. Our project was unique as it was designed and executed end to end while we were in the US for the entire duration. This meant all the requirements and design execution had to be done over several video calls, including selection of materials and designs. We also had a very tight timeline for completion of work, close to around 3 months, which was non-negotiable as we were visiting India from the US and wanted to complete puja and all the other formalities within that time frame. It all started with Sandeep from Nifty took our requirements and came up with a code. We then worked with the designer Satvika, who brought ideas and translated our vision into something truly beautiful and functional. Naveen and his team finally executed and did an amazing job with execution, including being very patient with our final end request, including some complex air conditioning fitting that aligns with the interior.
What impressed me most was their professionalism, patience, and ability to blend aesthetics with practicality. We were giving that house for my parents to live in, who are senior citizens, and so every element from the color schemes to furniture selection, lighting was perfectly curated to meet our needs. Not only the final outcome was beyond my expectations, but the entire process was very smooth, enjoyable, and stress-free. We used to get pictures and photographs every Saturday to keep us abreast on the progress. So this way I didn't have to ask my parents to go and keep visiting the site. Also, the owner, the CEO Keshav, did a final walkthrough and he sent us the video with some recommendations to further enhance the interiors, which was amazing. I couldn't be very happy with my home and I'm constantly receiving compliments from friends and family. So if you are looking for a talented, reliable and a passionate interior designer team, I highly recommend Nifty. They truly have a gift for turning houses into dream homes. Thank you.
So this was the house tour for today. And if you people have any queries or doubts, please drop it down in the comment section. And please like, share and subscribe our channel.